Hello everyone. This is a bit of a video on changing a brake light switch, the rear brake light switch for a 2011 Harley FatBoy. This is my bike. Part number that we want is just there on the plastic there. Italian made, but it is a genuine Harley part. In Australia, yeah, it costs you $37, $37.50. The location of the brake light switch, yep, as you can see, I've already got my tools and that sorted out, but the location is just in under there. The idea is, yeah, we've got to remove the pressure switch just here. We'll remove these electrical wires just here. We've got two T45 screws, one to undo, and this one here we've just got to loosen. That'll bring the unit out. You'll need an 11/16 spanner for this, for the actual pressure switch, and a 5/8 spanner just to hold the housing there once you get it clear. Anyway, I'll get to work. I'll go through, start loosening things up. Okay, I have loosened it off a little bit already, so it's fairly loose for me. Okay, I undo that. There. Just crack this top one. Just loosen it a bit. There it goes, it's loosened up. Slide that out of the way. A little break it there around. A bit hard one-handed, but the whole lot sort of comes clear now. They can actually work on. So get rid of these two electrical things. I just need two hands, so okay, that's got it. In hindsight, I probably should have took those electrical connections off first. Anyway, so that's my pressure switch that I'm replacing. Okay, so here's the new one in the kit. Turn it over there. That's it there. So a couple of spade clips, electrical connections. I won't need those, but I will use the actual pressure switch. Alright, so just set my spanners up. So there's the one for the housing. So it just goes over that. Again, I'm going to have to use two hands, so bear with me until I just crack it. Alright, back again. Got it loosened enough now I can turn it by hand. Just ensure that you've got some rag or something there just to catch a couple of drips. It shouldn't be under pressure, but just in case. A bit of pressure there, just letting a little out. Till we bleed that, it will take up. Here we go. So I did catch it in the rag, which is a good thing. So yep. So bear with me while I tighten it all up, get it all tight. Okay, there we are. The new one is installed. It's in place. So yeah, I'll just put some pressure on the brake pedal just to see if there's nothing past it. Okay, I'll get up and turn the ignition on. Oh, actually I'll put the wires on. So again, just bear with me until I get the wires on. It's just those two wires just here. We'll get them into position. And yeah, it should all just fit back in the way it came out. Getting it lined up. Right, I'll get these wires on there and I'll be back. Okay, I've got the wires on. It's not nipped up and bolted up just yet, but I'll just give it a test. Just turn the key on. Let's have a look at the back. Yeah, before I had the brake light was stuck on all the time. Now, yep, put on the brake, so it is actually working. It's solved the problem. So, I'll get back into it. It's just a matter of lining it all up, putting the bolts in, doing it all up. Let you know how it goes. Alright, I've got them all nipped up. It's all tightened. Just lays across that bottom rail there. Wires are on, out of the way, away from the heat. Only got to do the bleed the brakes, and yeah, should be all good to go. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope it helped, as there was no other video that I've seen for a 2011 FatBoy replacing that rear brake switch.